Across the open plains they run, a thundering cascade. Names like fire in the setting sun, a wild, majestic parade. No fences can hold, no chains can bind. They're the roaming souls, the free of mind. Wild horses running free across the land, past the sycamore tree. With every stride they claim the earth, emblems of freedom, of untamed birth. They move with a grace that's pure and true, spirits unconfined, through fields of gold and skies so blue, leaving all cares behind. Their hooves beat out a rhythm, a song without a word, a melody of liberty that's felt more than it's heard. Wild horses with hearts ablaze gallop through life's uncharted maze, with manes untamed and eyes that gleam. They're the living dream, a wild stream. In their call there's a longing, a yearning to roam, a desire to wander, to find a home where the grass is sweet and the water's clear, and the wind speaks a language that only they hear. They are the wanderers, seekers of paths unseen, the embodiment of what it means to live a life unlean. In their presence we find a truth, a reflection of our own, a wish to run beyond the edge to the great unknown. Wild horses, fierce and bold, their story is one that's rarely told, of a life lived large, a spirit untamed. In their freedom we are named. So let them run, let them fly across the earth under the open sky, for they are the wild horses in their purest form, keepers of the flame, the calm within the storm.